Good morning. My name is Hibatul Ghazi, and also there's my friends named Muhammad Rozak. We are from Team Easy Sprem. Right now, I'm an associate product manager from Pinhome, and Rozak is a penultimate student in Universitas Gadjah Mada. We are joining this Intel Hackathon because we want to explore more and artificial intelligence innovations that can help to solve the world's problems. Here is my presentations about EasySprem that we have built in about past 6 months. Let me share my screen first. This is EasySprem. What is an EasySprem? EasySprem is a semen analysis with deep learning for in vitro fertilization and fertility labs. Why we built this? Because we see that traditional methods of semen analysis in IVF industry consist of manual methods and heavy machines that cost a lot. So from that, we can do better. The problem with this method is first, the consistency of the sample changes every time, and then this method is prone to human error, and it takes so much time to generate the result, and the cost is relatively very high. So we see that we need a new or better technology to do the semen analysis. And then artificial insemination industry in Indonesia have a very tough problem. As we know, the geography in Indonesia has a quite tough terrain, especially for distributing the sperm, because it will be the main cause of the decreasing quality of the sperm. The decreasing quality of the sperm will cause infertility for the cow or the sheep. The demand for artificial insemination for livestock increases very sharply from year to year. This also has a positive impact in meeting the demand for meat in Indonesia with a high quality of cattle. That's why we want to build solutions that is easy sperm. What is easy sperm? Easy sperm is a semen analysis with deep learning for in vitro fertilization and fertility lab. Easy sperm works for both human and farm animals. EasySperm will be deployed into two product packages for the customer. First is EasySperm Aku Scanning. EasySperm Aku Scanning is a microscope devices that integrated with EasySperm semen analysis system, and this EasySperm Aku Scanning is using Intel Myriad 2, and also we use OpenVINO. This EasySperm Aku Scanning is suitable for lab use and institutional use such as research, farms, and also university labs. This EasySperm Aku Scanning is specially built for maintaining accuracy and analysis quality. This is how EasySperm Aku Scanning integrations with Intel Movidius. Our vision is also to democratize sperm analysis into rural area, especially in Indonesia. That's why we developed this EasySperm Rapid Scan. EasySperm Rapid Scan is a mobile app that can be purchased and used for end user to scan the semen when they attach the phone with our rapid scan microscope, so that they can scan the semen for the analysis everywhere, uh, especially in rural area Indonesia. That will help the people in rural area to scan the sperm quality of their cattle, so that they can get a better quality of the cattle. Next, I will explain about the deep learning analysis for the sperm specimen that we have created to make our solution into reality. Our goal is to detect whether the sperm specimen is fertile enough or not to be injected into female by classifying it into three types. First is progressive motile, second is non-progressive motile, and three is immotile. This is how a good sperm are look like. In this video, we will be looking at sperm specimen with varying motility scores using the microscope. As we zoom in this specimen, with more and more magnification, we can see that the sperm motility is very good. Most of the sperm are progressively motile. Sperm motility score represent the percentage of sperm that are actively swimming in a forward directions. Low sperm motility is the highest most common cause of infertility. This specimen shows both good count and good motility. Here it is a higher magnifications where we can get a better idea of the morphology or shape of the sperm cell. These specimens demonstrate both low count and low motility. There are many immature form sperm present and progressive motility is pure. Here is another example showing you the poor count and poor motility. This one also shows significantly abnormal morphology. Here is also an example of specimen with a very low count and very low motility. We can see that the sperm are twitching, wiggling in a place, but there is no progressive motility. In order to get pregnant with this kind of sperm, we need to inject the sperm directly into the egg using in vitro fertilization. That's how a good sperm looks like. We use this tabular data to train our model. And then we use this tabular data to train our model. We have developed our CNN model and it have 88% accuracy on average. This is our result, and so far we are continuing to develop better and better model. The next is the demo. I will show you the CNN and then the result that we have done. We use Google Colab to do the systems. Once it is all run, the result can be seen and be downloaded in Google Drive. That's the demo. Next, I will explain more about the benefit and also the business side of EasySperm. This is the benefit of EasySperm. EasySperm offer faster analysis, cheaper cost, and also scalable system. We offer faster analysis because we can cut 90% of the processing time faster, and we offer cheaper cost because we can cut about 95% than the current solutions. Why EasySperm is scalable? Because while operating the EasySperm, EasySperm doesn't need any specialized skill or expertise in sperm analysis. Just take the semen into the preparates and or the specimens, and then take into the microscope that we have developed, and just let the EasySperm do the rest. And then quickly you will get the result in a count of several minutes. This is how we hack around the user experience so that they will have the best experience, because we already hide the most computing time in the background, and then they will only spend their time waiting in a quicker or smaller time. As you can see here, when the user scan, the data will be uploaded to cloud, and then the user will input the patients or the cattle information. But in the background, we are also computing the video so that when the user completed their input, the result can be seen quickly. So, who will be the user of EasySperm? EasySperm will be used by 6 stakeholder target market, which is first, hospital, second, farmer community, third, farm, fourth, laboratory, fifth, government, which is the customs or Ministry of Agriculture, and then the sixth is university or research institute. This is the scenario that we will be implementing soon. This is the device production flow. First, we want to prepare our raw material, and then the raw material will be processed in a CNC lathe and milling. And after that, the microscope component can be assembled and can be tested for the use in the EasySperm. And next is the business analysis. And we want to sell EasySperm Accuscanning embedded microscope hardware, and also we want to sell the EasySperm rapid scan devices. And for the app, we can charge monthly or pay as you go. This is the pricing of EasySperm Accuscanning and EasySperm rapid scan. The device cost of EasySperm Accuscanning is 7.5 million rupiah, and the device cost of EasySperm rapid scan is 3.5 million rupiah. User can use monthly subscription about 500,000 rupiah per month, or user can pay 30,000 rupiah per analysis if they don't subscribe into the applications. For the rapid scan, user can pay monthly subscription about 250,000 rupiah or can pay 50,000 rupiah per analysis. This is how our roadmap. After the OpenVINO hackathon, we will add more data set, we will improve our model, and then when the model and the devices and the app is ready, we want to start distributing EasySperm with Kickstarter campaign. And then after the Kickstarter campaign, we want to sell EasySperm in a business-to-business scheme. From the financial summary, we expected to have 43.2% of ROI with 1.17-year payback period and 25.87 billion rupiah in terms of NPV in the third year. So we can conclude that EasySperm solving the livestock and also the human in vitro fertilization problem, which is the semen analysis that are now is taking so much time to analysis and taking so much cost for the customer. We offer solutions that are cheaper, faster, and scalable. That is from us, Team EasySperm, and thank you.